Okay.
Okay, so we have a big swarm of bees. It might be from our hive, one of our 3 hives. I don't think so because I haven't seen swarm cells, but it could be. There are several apiaries around us, so it could be from one of their hives. But this is how bees reproduce. They swarm and begin a new hive. That's probably about 10 pounds of bees.
What are you going to do with them, Amy?
I'm going to knock them into this observation hive. So the reason why I'm putting them in an observation hive is because I can close it up and I can put it in my car without bees flying around.
How will you get them in there?
I'm going to just knock them in there.
Oh.
I might cut the branch.
Let's take a look at them.
Yeah, they should be very docile because they don't have a hive to defend right now.
That's a lot of bees. Oh my gosh.
Ella just said, are you sure they're all going to fit in there?
Live at HMS! Yay! Big news today at the middle school. There's a swarm.
So exciting. So exciting.
And Mrs. Fagan couldn't be any more excited.
Pretty bees. And these are if they're from hive number 3, then these are really big honey producing bees.
Oh, wow.
That's where we got our entire harvest was from number 3. But if it is from number 3, then our new queen is in there, which I'll know soon enough because I'll go into number 3 and see if we have swarm cells, which would be evidence. They do a cell at the bottom of the frame, and that's indicative that they're going to swarm. Well, not just one cell, usually there's up to 6, but that'll tell us where it's from. But it's definitely not from number 2, because there weren't enough bees in there to swarm. And it could be from number 1, but I doubt it.
So we're right outside here at the middle school, right where our beehives are located, and came upon the swarm this afternoon. This is so exciting.
So exciting.
She's getting all dressed up. I've never seen it. I'm going in again. Ooh.
It is like a bee rescue. It is. This is on every beekeeper's bucket list.
Your bucket list. Check it off.
This is so exciting. Can't believe it's happening.
We're going to stand way back here when you do it. Right?
This is kind of overkill that I have on all this.
Not really.
Well, I don't like to get stung.
Yeah. Are you going to wait for Lucy?
Oh, yeah. Now, if you notice, some of them are on here, like, shaking. And what they're doing is it's a waggle dance where they're telling the other bees where they found good places for hives.
Oh. How long would they stay there?
Well, I don't think that long. I don't know. This is a tremendous amount of bees.
So it's a meeting place before they actually go into where their hive's going to be?
Yep.
So we could actually be watching them go into one of our...
Yeah, if they were going to, they go and they check it out, and they assess the dimensions of it, and then they come back and they indicate where they found it, and then the other ones will go check it out.
That's unbelievable.
While we're waiting for Pam to go mess with the other ones just to see.
Holy smokes. Where'd you put the new queen?
In hive number 3, and they had quite a big population, so I took the old queen and put her in here. Which these guys really shouldn't be able to come and go through this, but I don't know if they are or not.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, they can get in and out. That's not good.
Oh, who is the beekeeper? How do
Can you
you?
type via that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
Do we
hit
have
it.
any, like shears, like edge clippers? I'll get them out of the shed.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's amazing. They found their way here. But do you think they'll go in one of our hives?
They could if it was empty, but they have their own queen. They're clustered up around a queen in there.
So where do you think they're headed? Where do
They're
they go?
Looking for a good spot. And that's part of responsible beekeeping, is trying to monitor the swarms. Just because you and also, hopefully they're wild bees, which means that their genetics are suited to this area, which is like the holy grail of catching a swarm would be wild bees, because then they're more, in theory, more varroa resistant and suited to the climate.
Our beekeeper is Amy Fagan, who works over at our middle school.
But this is awesome.
Oh my
I
goodness.
can't believe it. It's a lot
That
of
is
bees.
something to see in your lifetime.
Oh, they even have pollen.
Oh my God.
A big drone.
Stand back.
This is a boy bee.
What does that mean?
A drone is a boy bee, and they don't sting, so that's why I was going to bring it over to
Oh.
you guys. They don't sting, but they are. They say a lot of the old things. They say that they're a drain on the resources of the hive because they're only used for genetic material. But they've done studies where they remove the drones and the hives don't do as well. So the current thinking is that they do more than we know. But drones are a good sign that it's a sign that the hive's getting ready to swarm if you have a lot of drone cells. Or you could have a laying worker, or it could be that you don't have a queen, which would give you laying workers. I'm so excited, I'm not even making sense.
Oh my goodness. I just can't believe it. I'm curious how long it would stay there if you didn't remove it.
I would guess a day or two.
Oh,
These are not very sharp.
oh get ready to run. Oh, wow.
Did it even swarm?
Holy smokes.
I can't believe that just happened.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
Oh my gosh. I can hear him.
starting to be a little less dense around here. Well,
We need a saw. Jeez.
I want to make sure I get the queen. But there's really no way to tell. Somebody just tried to sting me.
Look at them all on the box. Oh gosh. Look at the swarm. Are you looking for the queen?
I don't see her, and since they're coming up into the box, I think it's probably a good sign. But Probably shouldn't be filming this because this is not like the legit way to do it.